What the heck? Oh no. Hi, yes, I'd like to file a missing persons report for my cousin. His name? Oh, Spirit is Junker. He's about 6 feet tall. Wears a bear head on his head. Yeah, I tried leaving his favorite treat out at the undisclosed location, and well, all he did was drink it. No, this is a real person. No, it really is. Hello? Hello? Welcome back to the undisclosed location. I'm Spirit. Screw it. You guys already know that. You know who I am. You know what I do. But today's a little different. I want to see something. So last week I showed a video with something inside of it, and I wanted to see if something worked. Now, that footage ended up on the cutting room floor, solely due to the fact that it was boring, and the flow of it felt wrong. But today, instead of shooting some things with the cannon, we're doing a little bit of science. Now, why? Well, because I have a redesign in mind. And the redesign needs to be safe. Because I plan on... You'll see, I'll break it down when... over the next couple videos, I'll break it down what I did. But we need to check something first. Now, in case something goes wrong, I need to know for certain that the barrel isn't going to explode. So we're out here today to test this. I know. Hold your excitement. You don't know what it is? Really? Pressure vessel. 3D printed, of course, that's what I have access to, but it's a pressure vessel. Let's see if it explodes. Now, last time I will before we start. Last time I did get it up to 50 and I got scared, but I need it up to 80 to know if this thing is safe or not. Or if plastic will fail at a certain temperature. Now, temperature, PSI. It's cold. It's 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, almost 7 in the morning. Bear with me on the words. All right, so let's get testing. Okay, I'm behind the camera right now. My hands are freezing. So set it up in such a way that it'll be a little easier, and I'm gonna put these on first. Safety third, kids. Safety third. Not great, they're foggy. Okay. Just deal with it. Okay, so as you can see, we've got an air compressor down there, feeding all the way out to the pressure vessel out there. Now, I'm gonna put my hood up because I'm wearing a Carhartt, so they're pretty durable. I've seen guys welding them. I've seen guys, working them. They're durable. I'm not expecting a huge explosion if something goes wrong, but you never know. Actually, I might take cover behind this rock right there. My hands are freezing. Let's see how red they are. So, without further ado, let's do it. All right, the GoPro is recording already, so I don't want to go out there again. So, at this point, I don't know how else to rig this up besides using a little bit of cell phone cinematography. Clap! Alright. Work. Alright, here. Trying to get you a stable platform, and I don't think it's gonna work. Not the most stable dude. So, as you can see here, this is the pressure inside of the tank. I know I haven't taken this off. It can go up to 100 PSI only. which kind of sucks, but it'll do for us right today. All right, we're hoping for an indicated 80 psi. Okay, wait, before I do that, hang on, I gotta check on. Get the valves open on that. Still recording. Hoping for no explosions. I can't see crap out of the safety squints because it's cold. Okay, here we go. Focus. There we go. Here we go. Anticlimactic because the throw on this is very long. I can't see anything out of these things. Oh God almighty. Here we go. Oh, there we go. All right, there's 10. Pass into 15 psi, no explosions. There's 20. There's 30. We're hoping for 80. 35. 40. 55. 60. 70. 80. I can hear something happening. Downrange. But I have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna let it hold here for a minute. Woo! Think we're okay? Okay, mind you, this was 3D printed. I mean, we're stable. No fluctuation. I see a nice 80 psi. The tank itself, from what I can see, looks okay. Still holding at 80. Focus there for you. I'm sorry, guys. I shake. I'm like a chihuahua. Oh, wait, we had a drop. There's a slight leak in it, and the way I can tell is you can see right here, this keeps dropping. That number right there. Just slightly. But it's dropping nonetheless. That's fine there. Okay, at this point, I'm doing something you should never do. Take a picture. What? All right, so we're back on autofocus. I'm putting my hand in. Okay, Lefty, you're good and all, but I'm putting you in my pocket. It's holding. 70 psi. There are leaks somewhere. Okay. It's mainly leaking. And the pressure drops. Ready? Here we go. It worked. it works. All right, let's try. No, I can't do it. Okay, hold on. I can do it the other way. Okay. Yeah, so, to clarify, it is not charged right now. This valve is closed, so it's not getting air. How was I gonna read this? Oh, yeah. It's leaking somewhere around in here. Probably right up here, right here, or here. Possibly here, too. I didn't get a great seal on this. But, yeah, let's rig it up again and see what happens. The moment I put that valve on, it's gonna fill with air, so I gotta come back over here and do this. All right, let's go. All right. Oh, good. Oops. Not what I wanted. All right, let's go again. Round 2. Fight. There we go. I'm gonna be quicker on this one. I'm just gonna throttle it all the way up, see what happens. Oh, we ran out of air. That's fine. We're good. I think that is a successful test. If I walk down to it, woo! Yep. Indicates the same. Yeah, there's a leak. Yeah, it's up in here. These. And then, woo! Got some pop to her. Cool. Let's tear down and assess. I can't believe it. I knew I tested it last week, and you guys didn't see it, and I said it worked. Cool. I thought it was a one-off fluke. I thought it was gonna just come out today and explode, and it was, oh, cool explosion. But it worked. So now comes the fun part. I get to redesign the barrel to be closer to the real version. I would love to get the real version, and yes, a company does make. Oh, my hands are freezing. It's not great touching brass. It's a freaking. Brass is a freaking heat sink, just like aluminum. Cold. Okay. They do make a real version, and I want the barrel to be closer to the real version. But plastic, metal. But now that we know this can handle up to 80 psi, 60 on the second run because, or well, 70 on the second run because my tank is tiny. I don't feel too bad. So now comes the fun part of redesigning. I already said that, it doesn't matter. If no one's told you today, I'm gonna tell you from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You guys are amazing, you guys are awesome, and without you, we wouldn't have any of these crazy shenanigans. We would, but they wouldn't be going up on YouTube. Anyways, I'm getting in the car. I'm freezing.